Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today, I'd like to discuss the northeast direction. So, we sometimes run into a situation where we want to issue a blessing, or we want to find the feng shui, as it were, of a location outside without walls, or maybe we're in an apartment or a home and we want to have a meeting and we want to know which is the best side to operate, to function on. The answer is quite simple. Running north south of the earth, that meridian, that latitude, no, that's a longitude. That longitudinal axis is a very powerful direction. So, having your back, you, the speaker, the main focus of the meeting, with your back to the north, receiving that magnetic flux, energy through you as you operate, can strengthen your position. Now, the energy from the east is also quite powerful. So, the east facing direction, or with your back to the east, and you are speaking, is also quite powerful. But I don't want to say the ultimate, but the culmination of those two energies, the northeast direction, on that angle, that angular plane, 45 degrees between north and east, is a very powerful axis. Now, the other directions are associated with other energies and other ideas and concepts. We'll talk about that more in the future, but for now, just know that if it is possible, and I say this because sometimes it's not, but if it is possible to align yourself, your function, your activity with the northeast geographic, magnetic axis, then you will have a very powerful outcome. Now, if you're in a house and the free space is on the south wall, use the south wall. If it's on the west wall or the southwest axis, use it. This is common sense. What is available is what is meant for you. That is quite simple. Maybe in this condition, you're not meant to have the northeast corner. You're meant to have the southwest corner, which, by the way, is associated with financial profit. So that's not necessarily a bad thing. But if you have the opportunity for the greatest spiritual strength, it will be in the northeast corner. So I'm interested if you give services, if you go to an organization and their meetings are boring, which geographic axis is it centered on? Just curious. I'd like to hear all of your ideas, your comments below. If you're new to any of these ideas, these concepts, this is what we discuss on the Golden Circle movement. We discuss spiritual science. We discuss esoteric understandings and lightworker strategies. So you should subscribe. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Make sure you like and share this video. You can reach me on Twitter at Ezechiade, on Instagram at Ezechiade, and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. We can now receive donations. If you would like to donate to the Golden Circle Movement Group, helping the production values, the production quality, just the production in itself, if you'd like to participate more directly in the Golden Circle Movement, then there's a Cash App link, there is a PayPal link. You can also find us on LinkedIn at Ezechiade. Thank you so much for all of your participation, your helpful questions and comments, and just your overall support. Namaste.